Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. The coronavirus is in Jamaica. Today we'll be giving you the precautions that can save lives.
Bad girl step out, I'm stunting. Rain, my ties them thick like pumpkin. Look from me, big body jumping. My money thick like a caramel dumpling.
We've stopped doing one of the most important things that we were taught from a tender age, and that is washing our hands.
In these times, hand sanitizers alone is not the solution.
Avoid close contact with people who are sick.
People are coughing, people with fever, and people with sneezing.
Especially people who are exhibiting respiratory symptoms. If someone sneezes on you or cough, you should wipe it off right away.
Have wipes and hand sanitizers with alcohol on you at all times.
Avoid touching your face with unwashed hands. Clean surfaces such as doorknobs and countertops very regularly.
Clean hands after handling cash. Always. Always have more than one mask at hand.
When at home, after hours of being on the road, always wash your hands with soap and water. Keep your immune system strong with vitamin, minerals, and antioxidants. Vitamin C,
E,
B6,
A,
and D. Minerals such as zinc,
iron,
calcium,
and magnesium,
sodium,
potassium,
and chloride.
Prevention is always better than cure.
Thank you for tuning in to our afternoon news. I'm Belle.
And I'm Brittany. We're out.
Yo, Brittany,
Yeah?
you know some Safari are playing on the dirt. Take the money from him father and I wipe him hand in him shirt.
Eh?
The coronavirus have gone around you now, you know. And right now, prevention better than cure.
Achoo, you're talking on me, G.
Watch out and make sure, look out for this. Make corona turn out to be a miss. End of the defense, we have to be the fix. Eat up the greens, don't left out the garlic. Better be alive than get killed cause of it. To immune system, we have to become it. No commitment cause we get unfit. Face masks will be added to first aid kit. Traveling to other countries, we have it. Fight off the virus, give it the power. It hard work by the end, you must reap the benefit. Vitamin, antibiotics, original fix. Wash your hand before you touch your face. Look at you, shortness of breath, nor fever, don't you. Don't get lazy after the long commute. Educate the country government, don't mute. Don't mute. What about the country? Watch out to not make sure, look out for this. Make corona turn out to be a miss.